Hi. Welcome to my channel. If your home feels a little cluttered or chaotic, don't worry, today I'm sharing some quick and easy home organization tips you can start using right away to bring more calm, clarity, and coziness into your space. Let's jump in. 1. Use bins for literally everything. Storage bins and baskets are your best friends. Group similar items together and label everything clearly, so you always know what goes where. 2. Drop zones by the door. Create a drop zone near your entryway. Hooks for bags, a tray for keys, a basket for mail. It saves you from the classic, "Where did I put that?" stress every day. 3. Vertical space is your best friend. Maximize vertical space. Add wall hooks, floating shelves, or hanging organizers. Think up, not just out, especially in small rooms. 4. Declutter as you go. Don't wait for declutter day. If you see something you haven't used in months, toss, donate, or relocate. A little each day keeps the mess away. 5. Label everything. Last but not least, especially if you live with roommates, a partner, or kids, labeling isn't just cute, it helps everyone stay on the same page about where things belong. Remember, home organization doesn't have to be perfect, just peaceful. Start small, stay consistent, and create a home that supports your lifestyle. Which tip will you try today? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flow and Flourish for more cozy home, wellness, and mindful living content. See you in the next one.